Welcome back to another Dynodaze video. Milano Red FN2 up on the dyno. Jensen's about to strap it. Richard's putting an AFR sensor in it. Let's get it mapped up on the Ecutek software. Red FN2 Civic, as per usual, red FN2 Civic. Yeah, so today Richard has fitted, well, actually Jensen.
No, I haven't fit, Jensen fitted.
Jensen has fitted a Piper manifold, Piper Sports Cat and Cobra catback system.
Catback exhaust, yeah.
Is it a single exit, the Cobra, or a twin?
Twin, I believe.
Yeah, and it sounds well, it sounds lovely, this car. And we've mapped it. That's what we've been doing for the last couple of hours, and it's finished on 222 brake horsepower. When you consider, really, that's just exhaust modifications.
So this car's not got a lot of mods. So of late, we've seen ones with lots of mods, haven't we? If you understand what I mean. This has sort of gone back to the grassroots side of things. It literally has just got a different manifold, a sports cat to remain legal, and a catback exhaust, twin exits. Keep it as standard looking as possible, but just with a stainless steel exhaust on it. You know, we've made some in the mid range. We've made some obviously peak power from stock, obviously, coupled with the mods and the mat. Yeah, overall, I think that's done really well for what it is. I mean,
and obviously, as you guys know, we can advise the customer if he wants to go further on power. There's further mods to be made, but
it's a little bit wavy on the VTEC after VTEC for me, but that's a characteristics of the Piper manifold and the Sports Cat.
Okay.
So you get that little in there, and you know, we just can't seem to get with that. It's obviously, as it fills up and it goes and fills up and goes, fills and goes. So you do get that little bit of a wave to it, but that's the price you pay for keeping it legal.
Yeah. You know, and it's on a stock airbox, stock inlet manifold.
Yeah, stock airbox. But so we've seen these exhausts and these cats and everything make more power than what it's doing right now.
Oh yeah,
with more mods, if you understand what I mean. But
yeah,
coupled with the fact that everything else is stock, and you know, I think that's done really well.
Yeah, and he's going to have feet. You know, he's got the features now. It's a GT model, so he's got adjustable launch control should he want to use that. He's got flat foot shifted, auto blip down throttle, switchable maps. You know, he's got tricks and bells and whistles. Like I said when Richard first mapped my car, it made you feel like there was more control you had, so you can change things on the steering wheel. That's as cool as it gets, in my opinion. So yeah, I think he's going to enjoy it. It's certainly going to go quicker than it did before, and it sounds beautiful. So I think a good result, really.
Yeah, overall good.
All the little ducks, 222.
Yeah. Should we have a look at the graph?
Let's have a look at the graph. So as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Power made across the rev range, obviously, but not bags and bags, because we've got minimal mods. Made lots of power in the mid-range, as you can see, which is where he's really going to feel it. And we finish on 222 brake horsepower, which is, you know, it's like 222 brake horsepower up from stock. So there you go, a happy result, another one in the bag. Thank you for watching. Thank you for getting to this far in the video. If you are wanting a code word, should we just go with something plain and simple, like Richard is the man? I think that'd be nice. Show a bit of appreciation for Richard. He's worked hard this week, and he's also put my car back together, so hopefully we'll get to show you that as well this week. But there you go, code word Richard is the man, hashtag Richard is the man. I will see you all on the next one. Thanks guys.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.